arbitrationagreements.org. I am here to talk about a topic that's essential in understanding conflict dynamics: power imbalance. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you stay protected in all aspects of your career and personal life. So, what exactly is a power imbalance? Well, at its core, it's when one party in a conflict has significantly more power, resources, or influence than the other. This can come in the form of money, knowledge, social status, or even emotional control. Think of it like a seesaw. If one side is heavier than the other, it's not balanced, right? That's what happens in disputes when there's a significant power difference between the parties. Let's sprinkle in some interesting statistics here. According to studies, around 60% of individuals who've been in some kind of dispute felt that there was an imbalance of power. That's over half. It was also found that in disputes with a clear power imbalance, satisfaction with the outcome was about 45% lower than in disputes where power was seen as more equal. Now, you might ask, why is understanding power imbalance important? The answer is simple. When there's a power imbalance, the outcomes of the dispute can be skewed. The weaker party might feel pressured to settle for less than they deserve, or might not voice their concerns at all. This is especially true in court litigation, where the power dynamics are more pronounced due to factors like resources for legal representation. But here's the good news. Alternative dispute resolution, or ADR, can significantly reduce the effects of a power imbalance. In ADR processes, facilitators and mediators work diligently to ensure that both parties have an equal voice. They're trained to detect and address power imbalances. This ensures that the process is fair, just, and both parties walk away feeling heard and respected. So for those of you considering ADR, it's not just a quicker and often less expensive option, but it's also a more balanced and fair route. That's why many prefer it over traditional court litigation. If you want to learn more information about ADR and how it reduces imbalances in power, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think about the concept of a power imbalance? When you hear the term, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.